Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to update Windows 10 to Windows 11. First, make sure your PC is connected to the internet and plugged into a power source. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type Windows 11 Download and open the page from Microsoft. On the Windows 11 download page, look for the section called Windows 11 Installation Assistant. This is the recommended option to upgrade from Windows 10. Click the Download Now button. The file will start downloading to your computer. Once the download is finished, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Windows 11 Installation Assistant file to run it. The Installation Assistant will now open. It will first check if your PC meets the minimum requirements for Windows 11. If your PC is compatible, you will see a screen asking you to accept the license terms. Click Accept and Install. The upgrade process will now begin. Windows 11 will download in the background. This can take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, the installation will start automatically. At some point, you will be asked to restart your computer. Save any open work and allow the restart. During the restart, Windows 11 will continue installing. Your PC may restart several times. Do not turn off your computer. That is how you can update from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Thanks for watching.